How to open a UK bank account online from any country. Welcome everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can get an online UK GBP bank account from anywhere. And here you can see this is my GBP receiving account and it is based in UK. And here I have my bank name, sort code, account number. And if you want to create a digital bank account just like me, so that you can receive payments from your clients from UK and marketplaces like Amazon, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. First of all, for this, to get a UK bank account, we're going to be using Payoneer. So first, you have to sign up for Payoneer and you have to verify your identity and address through your government issued ID. And also you have to verify your bank account there. And then you can get your Payoneer account approved. And for that, I already have a video, how to open a US bank account online. And there I have some step-by-step how you can sign up and set up your Payoneer account. So make sure you watch that video if you want to get your Payoneer account approved fast. Now once you get approved to Payoneer and once you logged in, you will have this type of interface. And in order to get a digital UK bank, here on the left section, click on Get Paid. And here in this page, select on Receiving Accounts. And here you can see I already have a USD bank account which is based in USA. And right now I'm going to be showing you how you can get a GBP bank account based in UK. So once you are in this page, in order to get a UK bank account, you click on Request Accounts. And here you can read Get Local Bank Account Details to do business in countries where you need to receive bank transfer in local bank currency or require a local bank presence. So this local UK bank account gonna help you to receive payments by any website or platforms that ask for local bank account details for bank transfer. And that's how you're gonna be using your local bank account. You can receive payment by your clients and marketplaces. So now here click on Next. And that will bring you to this page. And you can see here you have all these currencies. And you can get a local receiving bank accounts for all these currencies. And under all receiving accounts, they have their guidelines. And here you can read the guidelines under UK Bank. And the guidelines are, as you can read, only payments from business transactions from business accounts are supported. And the beneficiary name address used for transfer must match account holder name and address in your Payoneer account profile. International bank transfer are not supported. Payment from personal bank accounts will be declined. Transaction made from a bank account in your name also will be declined. And the transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days. And fees for transaction below £100 will be £0.70. And if it is higher than 100 GBP, then it will be free of cost. So you have to keep this in mind before getting your UK bank accounts details. So now let's click on this cross mark and select UK GBP. And under it, let's click on Next. And then here, click on Submit Request. Once you click Submit Request, you will be redirected to this page as you are doing it for first time. And here you have to submit your receiving accounts questionnaire. And also here they require your government issue photo ID. And if you have already verified your Payoneer account with the help of government issued ID and bank account, then you don't need to submit that. It will be already submitted just like me. Now here all you have to do is click on Submit Right to Receiving Account Questionnaire. I have already finished this step while getting my USD bank account. But for the sake of convenience, I'm showing you this because if you are doing it for first time, you need to submit receiving account questionnaire. So first here you have to select, why do you mainly use your Payoneer account for? You can select any of these. Here I'm going to select the first one, second one, and the fourth one. And then under it, you have to select the category that best describes your line of business. So here let me choose marketing. Here just select the category that is relevant to your business. Once you selected the first category, now below it you have to again select the description that most accurately describe what you do. So as I have selected marketing, here I have all these options and I'm going to select affiliate marketing. So just select the description that also relevant to your business. And under it, you have to briefly explain about your business. For example, like who are your customers, what type of service or products do you provide. So as I am creating this UK bank account to receive payments from Amazon affiliate program and also by clients through freelancing, here I'm going to describe I've specialized in affiliate marketing and freelancing. My services include content creation, social media management, photo editing, etc. Now once you briefly describe about your business, now under it you need to provide the URL to your business website or your online store webpage. Now if you don't have any online store or website, then here you can just enter your YouTube channel URL or any social media accounts or pages URL. I have this YouTube channel, so I'm gonna enter URL of my YouTube channel. And after that you have to select what is your connection to the web page or URL you have provided. Here I'm going to select I manage my page within the website/hosted platform as this is my own YouTube channel. And also you have to do the same if you are providing your YouTube channel URL, websites URLs, social media page URLs, online store URLs, or whatever URLs. If you want them, then you have to select the first option. And if you don't own them, then you have all these options as well. Now once you selected that, Lastly, you have to select your business average monthly payments volume, which includes both incoming and outgoing. So here I recommend you to select more than 500 USD. Just don't select up to 500 USD even if your transaction is lower than that. And that's how you're gonna get your UK receiving account fast. So here I'm gonna select 501 USD to 2500 USD. And as you are doing it for a UK bank account, here you have GBP currency instead of USD. And once you finish this step, you don't need to redo this for other receiving accounts. So once you selected your monthly payments volume, now here at the bottom, click on submit. And then your receiving account questionnaire will be submitted. And then you have to wait few hours or days until you get your UK receiving bank accounts approved. And here you can see in the receiving account section, now I have this UK bank account. As I already had finished receiving account questionnaire while creating the USD bank account, my UK bank account get approved instantly. And under my UK bank account, you can see if I have any transaction, it will be shown here. Now let's click on this bank account. And there it is, this is my GBP bank account, which is based in UK. And now I can use this account in different marketplaces. And also I can use it to receive payments by UK clients. So that's pretty much it is. That's how you can create and open a UK bank account online from anywhere.